Hello. This is the live YouTube webinar of DentalDost on the occasion of Diwali. Hello. Hello, everybody. Is it visible? Am I audible? Do you see me? Do you hear me? Hello. Hi, welcome everybody. Good morning. We'll be starting the webinar in 5 minutes at 11 sharp. So I'll be just setting myself. Yeah. Hello, good morning. Who do we all have? We have some participants. Yep, we have some viewers. Okay, great. Yeah. Hello. Good morning. We'll be starting the webinar at 11 sharp in 4 minutes. So, yeah. I'm glad you're excited. Happy to have you guys. Let's wait a little bit for more people till 11. We'll start at 11. Good morning. How many do we have now? Yep. People are coming in. Let's hope we get good audience. Good morning. Hello. Welcome to the YouTube channel of DentalDost. This is a webinar on oral remedies, home remedies for Diwali. Let me see how many do we have. Good morning. We'll be starting the webinar at 11 in 3 minutes. Good morning. Welcome. Am I audible? Do you hear me properly? Am I visible? Let me just come a little closer. Yeah. I'm glad everything looks perfect. We'll be starting in 2 minutes. Yeah. Good morning. Welcome. The live chat will be on throughout the webinar. The topic is dress up your teeth for Diwali. Good morning. Welcome. 2 minutes to go live. No, we are already live. 2 minutes to start the webinar. Yes. We have some more participants now. Welcome. Welcome to the live webinar of DentalDost titled Dress Up Your Teeth for Diwali. It's a Diwali special. It's a 2-part series we're doing. Welcome. Good morning. We'll be starting in 1 minute at 11 a.m. sharp. So let's just see and wait for a little bit more. Good morning. Welcome. How many participants do we have now? Yeah, people are coming in. That's good. All set for beautiful smiles? Yes. Good morning. Good morning. We will be starting at 11 a.m. sharp, so we still have a few seconds left. Let's just wait. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the DentalDost YouTube channel. Welcome to the live webinar. Yes, it's 11, so let's start. Okay. So let's just wait 5 more minutes for a few more people. Let's wait a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. Let's start. So welcome to the DentalDost YouTube channel. This is a live webinar on the topic Dress Up Your Teeth for Diwali. The webinar is a two-part series that we are doing specially for this Diwali, related to everything about your teeth, the home remedies that you can follow, and the things that will come in handy to you during the festive season. Okay, so let's start. Hello, good morning. Yeah, I hope you had a nice morning so far. So let's get right in. I will be presenting this webinar today from DentalDost team. I'm a dentist with a master's in public health from UK. My name is Dr. Asavri Sawant, and I'm a dental consultant and dental content analyst for DentalDost. So today I will be sharing with you some dental home remedies that will be beneficial for you and your family's oral health, especially during the upcoming festive season. So let's see what we'll talk about. To give you a head start, I'll be talking about how sweets and carb-rich food affect your teeth and your oral cavity and what to do about them, how to avoid problems with them, related to, according to your age type. I will be talking about sensitivity, which is the biggest concern in India these days. The home remedies to tackle sensitivity and how you can avoid it from happening in future. I will be also talking about toothache, daant ka dard, every type of toothache really, and what causes toothache and what to do about it, and the home remedies that you can that can be handy for you so that you can use them anytime during a festive or off festive season really. I will be talking about what really is food lodgement, what do dentists mean by food lodgement when we say this term, and how to avoid it, what might be causing, and what to do about it. I will be also talking about dental pockets. In common, we call when khana fasta hai aapke daanton mein. That term, when we use, what we mean about dental pockets, how they happen, and how you can, using home remedies, treat those things. We will also be talking about bleeding gums, and what might be causing, what changes you can make in your everyday lifestyle, and the home remedies you can use to help fix them temporarily, the in-house, in-clinic treatments that you can go for, that dentists recommend. We will also be discussing about jaw pain, the different types of jaw pain that you may have, the reasons behind them, and what to do about it. We will be discussing about cheek bites, tongue bites, how accidental cheek and tongue bites, and what to do after that for quick home remedies and that stuff. We will be talking about food burns, pizza burns, cheese burns, what do they mean, and how to fix them quickly at home. We will be talking about accidental tooth fractures when you're biting too hard or you accidentally broke your crown, and in situations like that, what you should be doing, and how to deal with those situations. Accidental cap falling off, fractures, tooth fractures, stuff like that. And lastly, we will be talking about oral hygiene for people in general as well, according to every age type, and those with braces as well. So yeah, we have some good amount of viewers. Welcome to the live of DentalDost webinar. We are talking about how to dress up your teeth for Diwali. So those who joined later can catch up. This webinar will also be saved in the playlist of our YouTube channel, so you can rewatch it whenever you want and get as much as help as you feel. So let's get started with the first one. The live chat will be going on throughout this video, so please feel free to put in all your questions and queries. Questions will be answered in the end for 10 minutes, so I'll be answering all your questions in the end and giving you solutions and dentist recommendations on all your dental problems. So yeah, let's start with the first one, which is what happens to your mouth after you eat sweet or carbohydrate-rich food. When you eat sweets, it comes in contact with the saliva and it breaks down into simple sugar. This is very easy. Everybody knows this. What is new is uh, with that simple sugar on your teeth all the time in your mouth, the bacteria get attracted to it. And if it is left unclean for a long time, that is overnight, you suppose you had your dinner, aapne apna dinner khaya, then you went to sleep. Then what happens is if you do not brush before sleeping, the bacteria attacks the simple sugars on your teeth, thereby decaying your teeth throughout the period of time, and which results in dental caries or cavities when we call it commonly. So what's the solution? What you should be doing? First off, you should be brushing before bed. That's a must. That's a given. Every dentist says that. You hear it all the time in TVs and commercials and everything. What you should be doing additionally to this is flossing before brushing. So first you need to floss so that all the food stuck between your teeth comes out. Then you need to be brushing your teeth so that the fluoride in the toothpaste gets between your teeth and in the floss spaces as well. And then using a mouthwash for complete cleanliness. So that's the proper way. And it is proven that those who do not brush before going to sleep have so much more chances of developing dental caries. And looking at the expenses of dental costs all around in India, you really don't want to attract more dental caries in you, do you? So yeah, especially with infants, if you have a toddler or an infant who has habit of going to sleep with the milk bottle in its mouth, they are so much more susceptible to nursing bottle caries, which happens in the anterior front teeth of the mouth. Yeah, so it decays the teeth in front, so that should be avoided. Your infants shouldn't be going to sleep with the milk bottle in their mouth. You should rinse their mouths with plain water before putting them to bed, or after every meal or milk they have. For old age groups as well, it is advisable to brush or at least rinse the mouth after every meal, as old people have many systemic diseases. Unko diabetes bhi hota hai, unko blood pressure ki problems bhi hoti hain. So everything is together and it affects your teeth as well. The sugar in after you consume your meals, there are so much more chances of attracting bacteria on your teeth if you do not rinse or properly clean your oral cavity after meals. So periodontal health would be better when you do follow these steps for old people. How to avoid those? Floss before brushing regularly. Brush twice a day, rinse after you eat every meal. And those who aren't able to brush, after meals or, twice, when you're traveling, you're in an airplane, it's inconvenient or something like that, at least you should make a habit to, rinse your mouth with plain water so that the sugars stuck on your teeth are removed effectively. Let's move on to the second topic that we'll deal, which is the most common, most asked question, that is sensitivity. What is sensitivity? ये कैसे होता है? ये क्या होता है? And इसे कैसे avoid कर सकते हैं? We'll be talking about this in the video. So, what is sensitivity? How do you differentiate it from a tooth pain and sensitivity? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा आपको sensitivity हो रही है कि actual में दांत सड़ रहा है? The best way to detect is sensitivity happens just after you eat extremely cold or extremely hot or extremely sweet food or sour food, and it happens temporarily for some time, for a few minutes, and after that it goes away. You do not feel anything. Once the food is inside your stomach, you won't feel a thing on your teeth. That is sensitivity. It goes after 5 or maximum 10 minutes after you've had that particular food. It may be occurring on all of your teeth or just few areas of your teeth, depending on many factors, which we'll discuss. Sensitivity occurs when the outer layer of your teeth, which is the enamel, wears off due to various different reasons. So these reasons can be many. We won't be going in more detail. What we are here now is for home remedies and how to avoid it. So sensitivity, tooth pain lasts for so much longer, and sensitivity is temporary. That you know. ये आपको समझ में आ गया. Then how to avoid it? The best way to avoid is to first talk to your dentist. If not, if you are having very severe sensitivity in some areas of your tooth, you can you try to detect which food item is causing you. Are you having it because of extremely sour stuff, or extremely sweet stuff, or extremely hot or cold stuff? Try moderating the amount of those things. There's also this gel that is available widely in the market, or toothpaste, that is Sensodyne toothpaste, anti-sensitivity toothpaste, that are very common, but people don't know how to use them properly. So what you have to do is take the toothpaste, put it on the areas of your teeth. You can put it on all of your teeth, or put it on the specific regions where you are having sensitivity, as you want. Just let them stay for a minute or two on the surface of the teeth. That will help build the enamel back to some extent. Then after 2 minutes of waiting, you can go on and brush as usual and rinse your mouth. So that is one way. If you are having very severe sensitivity, it would be best to consult your dentist. Consult us. Give us a free call for free consultation. The number will be listed in the description box below as well, and it is a 24/7 helpline that is available. It connects to the patients to our qualified dental experts, and we will be happy to serve you for all your dental queries and give you a free online consultation. I'll be telling the number at the end of the video as well. It is shown on the banner of our YouTube channel as well, and I'll be putting it in the description box as well. So yeah. Now coming on to the dreaded toothaches. There can be different types of toothaches. It could be due to dental cavity that you have. That is why you're having toothache, or it could be due to a pit or caries or something like that, or it could be due to pocket formation, which is erosion of gums around your tooth. It could be due to anything. It could be due to a fracture or something in the crown of the teeth. There could be various different causes for toothache. Try to avoid chewing from just one side. Try chewing from both the sides of your mouth, putting equal pressures so that you do not have unwanted toothaches. This is a good chewing habit, to chew from both the sides equally, putting pressure on both the sides of your teeth in equal amounts. And home remedies for toothaches. If you are having toothache because of dental cavity or pit और सड़न वगैरह के कारण अगर आपको टूथेक हो रहा है, तो the best solution would be to use clove oil. Clove oil is available at homes easily, so you can put a drop or two on that region जहाँ पे सड़न है, and clove oil से आपको बहुत help मिलेगी. Temporarily toothache आपका बंद हो जाएगा, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be consulting a dentist. You should, after the temporary relief, when you feel better, you should be consulting your dentist. Give us a call. We have this app coming up, which is going to be released soon, which will help you detect all your dental problems with just pictures, and you will get the diagnosis in minutes. So watch out for that. Give us a call. till the time being, we'll connect you with dentists. We are available 24/7. The helpline number will be listed in the description box below. So it's a free dental consultation for all your dental queries. You can also use home remedies such as, gargling with warm salt water and or chewing garlic. Just try a few of these, and it should help in giving you temporary relief from toothaches. Yeah, let's go on to the next one, which is finding out the connection between dental cavities and food lodgement. What do dentists mean by food lodgement? फूड लॉजमेंट कुछ नहीं है बेसिकली जब आपके दांतों में सड़न होती है या गड्ढा होता है या जगह होती है तो जब खाना फंस जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड फूड लॉजमेंट खाने का फंसना इज फूड लॉजमेंट दैट इज व्हाट वी मीन बाय फूड लॉजमेंट व्हाई डज इट हैपन as I said, it could be due to if you have space between the teeth. It could be due to when you have periodontal pockets. Pockets is jagah between your दांत and your gums. मसूड़ों और दांत के बीच की जगह is called pockets. वहां पे भी फंसता है लोगों को खाना. That is also a problem. It causes bad breath, halitosis, difficulty, pain, problems in eating. It can cause bleeding gums as well. So there are whole lots of things all surrounding this one problem, food lodgement. When it occurs in teeth, it can cause more caries, and it can cause you pain, and halitosis as well, and various other problems as well. How to avoid food lodgement? First off, do not use the unsterilized toothpicks that you see everywhere. It is not sterilized, it is not clean, it is not safe to putting things like toothpicks, safety pins, and sticks and those sort of things in your mouth to remove food. Instead, use dental floss picks or dental floss that dentists give you. They are also widely available in the medical stores. Just tell them, aapko dental floss chahiye. They will give you. It has a pointy end as well, which you can use to remove the food stuck. It is so much better. It is so much more sterilized. And with the ongoing pandemic, corona and everything, you really don't want to put those wooden toothpicks in your mouth and cause any future troubles for yourself. So use dental floss picks. Try the flossing technique and the brushing technique. We have videos on our channel. You can go watch it after this. We also have various blogs explaining the best toothbrushes, best flosses, best techniques, and how you should be doing according to your age group on our blog. I will be listing down our website and our blog in the description box down below. Do make it a point. Do make sure to go and read on whatever you want and need. We have a whole lot of content all related, catering to general public, solving their queries about dentistry and dental hygiene. So that's there. When using toothpicks and stuff can not only cause the gums to bleed more, it can also cause gum infections and injuries in future. So please try avoiding that. Use floss picks instead. Another thing you can do is while brushing, as I said before in the starting, make it a habit to floss before brushing at night, at least at nights. Floss between your teeth at night. Then use your toothpaste and your toothbrush so that the fluoride in the toothpaste goes between the tooth spaces as well, which leads to added protection from caries. So that you should be doing. Let's move on to bleeding gums. The reasons for bleeding gums, what to do when you are having bleeding gums, some simple quick home remedies you can follow, and also when to look out for dentists, and the best offline treatments, in clinic treatments as well. There could be various different reasons for bleeding gums. आपको विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी, विटामिन ए, विटामिन सी, विटामिन के डेफिशिएंसीज के कारण ब्लीडिंग गम्स हो सकते हैं, खून आ सकता है न्यूट्रिएंट डेफिशिएंसीज के कारण. You could have it because of pockets that you have. आपके मसूड़ों में बहुत ज़्यादा रिसेशन है, जगह है, मसूड़े छोड़ रहे हैं दांत को पीछे, तो वहाँ पे पॉकेट्स डेवलप हो रही हैं, उसमें खाना फंस रहा है, इसकी वजह से भी ब्लीडिंग गम्स हो सकते हैं. It could be iron deficiency that you may have that could be causing bleeding gums. You could be having periodontal gum infections, bacterial infections, and something in your gums that could be causing bleeding gums. There are whole lots of different reasons. So depending on the intensity of the bleeding, अगर वो एक ही tooth में से हो रहा है, then you can try these home remedies such as using these gels that are available. There's a gel, intraoral gel, which you can use for your bleeding gums, or that is widely available at dentists. Or you can use things such as honey mixed with some ghee and turmeric. You can apply it on where you're having the bleeding. You can use plain honey if you do not have anything else, things like that. The simple intraoral medicaments such as Rexidine intraoral gel, you can apply that for bleeding gums as well. That would also give you temporary relief. But if you don't have, we're talking about home remedies. Ghee, honey, turmeric is the best combination. Just try to put the gel in the direction of the tooth के gums पे से teeth पे आए चिपकाते हुए, so that it helps in sticking it better. That would be more beneficial. I see some queries and dental queries that you guys have set up. I will be answering them in the last minutes of the video. So yeah, definitely. Home, now we're talking about gums. So yeah, home solution for strengthening of gums. Gum strengthening, you could do things like you should incorporate more vitamin C in your diet. Amla, nibu pani, and that sort. Palak, spinach has very good amounts of vitamin C, which is very beneficial for your gums. Try incorporating foods rich in iron and vitamin C in your diet. Amla or Indian gooseberries are the best source for vitamin C. They are so much healthy. They have vitamin C and whole lots of iron as well. Potassium, bananas. Try having those in your diet. For strengthening gums, you can also do exercises for your jaw for strengthening your bite and your gum strength. There will be a separate video on that one. Or we also have many blogs on gum health and how to maintain good gum health. I'll be linking that specific blog as well in the description box for you, so you can go check it out after this webinar. So how much time do we have? Okay, we have just 7 minutes left. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Jaw pain while eating or chewing food. You could have pain in your jaws, this area near the TMJ, temporomandibular joint. इस area को joint भी बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे pain हो सकता है. You could have it in your eating muscles. And you could have it in your gums or anywhere else. For jaw pains related to TMJ or your muscles, you should not try doing anything on your own. Hot packs or cold packs can go very wrong, so please try avoiding home remedies for this particular problem. Consult your dentist, nearest dentist. Give us a call. We will connect you with the dentist. We will give you a free online consultation, and we will also connect you with the dentist nearby your area for if there's any treatment that is required. So yeah. cheek bites and tongue bites. Yes, I see a lot of questions. I will be answering all your queries in the last minutes. So please be patient a little bit. Right now, we are talking about cheek bite and tongue bite. एक्सीडेंटल चीक बाइट्स, खाते में जब आप गलती से दांत या चीक काट लेते हैं, तो what you should be doing, you can apply ice packs as a home remedy. वहाँ पे एरिया में या आइस मुंह में रख ली, it will help a lot. You can there is this intraoral gel called Rexidine M4, or there is this medication that is commonly available called Zyte, that is also an intraoral gel. उसे आप उस एरिया पे लगा सकते हैं for temporary relief. Try avoiding eating spicy or hot food on that side for a few days. It will take around 2 days or so to heal properly. The cells in your oral cavity heal very quickly, but still it would need around 2 days to heal properly. So do not eat spicy food. Try eating food that is very hot slowly, so that especially while eating pizza, many people dig into the pizza slice, cheesy pizza slice head on, and they get cheese burns on the top of their mouth, on the palate. It could be very painful. Whatever you are eating, just try to eat it at normal temperatures, edible temperatures, so that you do not cause yourself accidental food burns or cheek bites or anything. People who suffer from anxiety a lot generally have a problem of cheek bites and tongue bites, but that is not exactly correlated. So yeah, you could so the best thing is to eat slowly, eat patiently, avoid distractions while eating your foods, avoid going on your phone or TV, and eating mindlessly. That is the best thing for avoiding cheek bites and tongue bites. Some of you may also have them because you have very sharp crown. आपके दांतों के points, पीछे वाले दांतों के बहुत sharp हो सकते हैं. तो इसलिए भी आपको दांत कटना, चीक कटना या टंग कटना हो सकता है. For that, the best thing to be seeing your dentist, or give us a call. We will take your intraoral pictures and give you the proper diagnosis that way. So we talked about food burns as well. Cold milk and the combination of honey and ghee again is also a good remedy for food burns. Avoid chewing from one side. Avoid tensing your facial muscles while doing a hard or tedious, focused, intense work. That can also cause you facial pains. Avoid if you are having clicking sounds while opening or closing your jaw. If you can hear clicking sounds, you might be having anything related to. You might be having something related to a problem related to your temporomandibular joint. Do consult a dentist for that. Make sure to say this thing that you are having this problem if you have one. If you accidentally bite hard, fracture your tooth, or the cap falls off, the best solution would be to immediately visit your dentist. The chipped tooth or the fractured crown or the cap, which has fallen off, if it is within 24 hours, the dentist has a chance of fixing the same cap if it is not damaged. But if it has been more than 24 hours, the tooth has fallen off or the cap has come out, the dimensions after 24 hours usually change. So it would be very hard for the dentist to use the same cap if it is not damaged for you. So try visiting your dentist within 24 hours if something like this happens. That is an urgent, serious issue. How much time do we have? Let's now wrap it up. So to maintain good oral hygiene, you need to brush twice a day. You need to floss before brushing. Infants should not be going to sleep with bottles stuck in their teeth. And the questions that we had: how can I make my teeth look more better this Diwali? Please, can you suggest some options? Yeah, if you have a problem of yellowing of teeth or something like that, home remedies such as using the inside of the banana peel and rubbing it on your teeth helps in whitening to some extent. If you have very yellow teeth or medium yellow teeth, you can go for a scaling treatment before Diwali. It's a quick session. It takes about 30 minutes or so. Your teeth will look more brighter and more, fresh and cleaner and more shiny. So that you can do for making your teeth look more brighter and more beautiful for Diwali. Um, Thank you, thank you. Yeah, okay. Thank you for getting help. How to use banana peel to whiten teeth? Yes. Okay. So what you can do when you peel the banana, आप जब banana peel करते हैं तो उसका अंदर का जो white portion होता है उसे थोड़ा सा कट करके you can put it on the areas that are visible and you can rub it like you rub with your toothbrush. Rub it for 2 minutes or so on areas and do this for a week and you will see some visible results. I tried this myself, so that's why I'm sharing it. That is one reason, that one short remedy to have whiter teeth at home. And what else? More questions do we have? Thank you. And oral hygiene, it will really bring Indian. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. For those who have braces, you should be using interdental brushes and the cleaning techniques that your dentist mentions so that you are cleaning your teeth properly. You can also use ortho stem brushes. More of that detail is there linked in our blog. So I will link that blog as well for those who are having brushes. Sometimes emergencies such as those with braces, people who have braces, they can have emergencies of wire poking out or breaking off from somewhere. So what you can do is when your dentist, you can ask your dentist for the modeling wax which they give. So you can put it on that area temporarily till the time you reach your dentist. Dentists usually they give this modeling wax for emergencies, or if you do not have, the next visit when you go there, if you have ortho treatment, you can get it from them. And this happens to students most frequently when they are in school, so they should carry the dental wax to the school as well. Agar aisa kuch hota hai, so they can put it on the wire, and that could help in temporarily. And the next time when you go to the dentist, just get the wire fixed. So yeah, what else do we have? How many days shall I use banana peel? Try it for a week, for at mornings or at night, or just once a day, and you will see visible results. Do you recommend tooth jewelry? Yeah, tooth jewelry and that topic. Stay away. Watch out for our next video, the next Saturday. We will be discussing how to enhance the beauty of your teeth with all the specialized dental treatments and products that we have, to jewelry, gold fittings, lights, LEDs, and whatnot, and even in-house treatments that dentists have in store these days, or which a common person, even if you are not into industry of film and media and production and that sort, still you can get your teeth glamorized in a subtle better way. We'll be discussing everything related to accessorizing and everything in our next upcoming video. It will be coming out next Saturday. That would be the second part of this video. This video was all about home remedies and common dental queries. What should I do if my brush is soft but suddenly hurting my gums? If your brush is suddenly hurting your gums, so first off, you should be getting an extra sensitive toothbrush. When you go and buy toothbrushes, there is the sensitivity of the toothbrush is generally mentioned on the top. So Get an extra sensitive one, and go see a dentist as well. You might be having some periodontal problems that is causing your gums to suddenly hurt. It could be due to various reasons, hormonal changes. It could be due to eating something the wrong way. It could be due to periodontal pockets, periodontal infections, anything. Just do consult your dentist after this. If you're having something like that, give us a call on a free helpline. It is mentioned on the cover of our YouTube page, as well as I'll be putting it in the description box below. So yeah, no more questions. So let's wrap it up. Let me just take a few minutes to talk about DentalDost. DentalDost is a team of oral wellness healthcare experts backed by a group of technocrats. At DentalDost, we are dedicated to changing and improving the oral healthcare ecosystem in India from a 360 perspective. We have India's first ever dental helpline, one which is completely free, available 24/7, and connects patients directly to our super qualified dental experts. So who you will be talking to would be our qualified dental experts. The number is 7797555577. Let me repeat it: 7797555577. I will also be writing all this information in the description box below. Feel free to call the helpline number in the description box below for a free dental consultation from any part of the world. With this helpline, patients can connect to instant consultations along with diagnoses and solutions for their oral issues. We have a large network of qualified DentalDost approved dentists all over Pune who treat our patients at reasonable prices and are located in every area closest to you, if you are in Pune. And we will soon be launching our AI powered app, which will help you scan your teeth and get your oral diagnosis within seconds. So, just a conclusion. Thank you, everybody, for patiently listening to me for more than 30 minutes straight. I hope you gain some valuable oral tips from this video for you to use for you or your family anytime during this festive season. Please do give it a like if you found it helpful. Please feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe the DentalDost channel and hit that notification bell for upcoming dental related content. We'll be having the part 2 of this video on next Saturday at the same time. So keep your eyes out. The gift that we mentioned is there on the gates of your societies, the 2 societies that we've partnered with today. So it's there. For more information, please fill the feedback form and have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.